Thank you, John. Where would we be without computers? And in fact, our computer, a mega computer at that, is predicting a complete change in the weather in the days ahead. Now, at the moment, we've got this weather front on the horizon. It's producing some outbreaks of rain in southwestern areas, and we've got a low pressure area not too far away. But that slips away, and we get, as I said, a complete change. Yes, this is high pressure. Haven't seen one of those for quite a while. Unfortunately, the area of high pressure is not necessarily in the right place as far as giving a lot of warm, sunny weather, but it will give, as I said, a complete change, and then we're going to keep low pressure not very far away from some northern areas. But unfortunately, the winds are going to be coming in from the east, and that's not necessarily good news, especially along these eastern coasts, and quite strong winds at that. They do ease down around the middle of the week, but they do stay, even then, quite stiff across that southeastern corner. And if you bear in mind the fact that the sea temperature at the moment over the North Sea is only some 7 or 8 degrees, if you're going to have a wind coming in from that direction, you can never expect it to be warm, certainly not on the coast itself. Now, the first of those weather systems, or the old weather system, is out there to the southwest. It's still producing some quite heavy bursts of rain into Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest, a band of cloud too. But there are some breaks in eastern areas, so I think there'll be some brightness, there'll be some sunny intervals in those central and eastern parts of the country. Not near the coast, they're staying quite grey, misty and quite miserable there, and we're going to have this rain in the west as well, easing perhaps up to the Isle of Wight, the southwest of Scotland, in towards Manchester and Merseyside, but nothing more than just a few spots in those areas, and the rain in other parts tend to get lighter and more patchy, maybe the odd shower breaking out in the brighter parts where the temperature could get to 15 or 16 degrees. Cold on the coast, not particularly warm in the rain either. The outbreaks of rain are going to continue throughout this evening tonight, fizzling as they start to move westwards, and that sets the trend really for the rest of the week. Not a particularly cold night either. And then that weather front heading away westwards tomorrow, a little bit of rain and drizzle left from it. That'll move away, and it's going to be breaking up, leaving behind some sunshine and showers, still cold, grey and misty near that east coast. High pressure well and truly in command around the middle of the week into Tuesday. We keep that cold, grey, misty weather in the east there, and some of it feeding through even into some central parts of England. But along the south coast and in western areas, the north of Scotland, should be reasonably warm and quite sunny. High pressure still there through Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, although a weak front will come down towards the northernmost parts of the country. So I think for Scotland, getting some cloud and outbreaks of rain, still some cloud across the southeastern corner, everywhere else though dry and bright and quite warm. That's all.